spread it. How do you think the world would react if a major political leader, like Trump, the Queen, or Kim Jong-un, died of COVID-19? A lot of people I think would be shocked if the Queen died. That lady has survived some shit. But knowing the royal family, they probably got her on lockdown. For sure we would run out of toilet paper. Memes. I think Scotland Yard would have a few questions for Prince Charles. If Trump were diagnosed, I bet it would not be released publicly. Most developed countries have protocols to replace a fallen leader. I think people would be shocked if Trump died, for example, because we haven't seen a president die in office since JFK, but for the most part, things would be business as usual. In less developed countries, a fallen leader could leave a power vacuum that could potentially lead to civil war. Corona would die of the Queen more likely. Like 70% of these comments are just yay, we are pretty sure the Queen is immortal at this point. Well, we all know the Queen wouldn't die because of the whole immortality thing, but I wouldn't imagine much changing. I would expect many leaders to want the next in line to be very similar to them in ideas and experience. Trump, easy. The US has a clearly defined line of succession. I think other leaders would be waiting to see how he acts. Queen, easy. The UK has a moderately clearly defined line of succession, except I don't remember who is and isn't up for the job, and I don't think primogeniture works the way it does in Crusader Kings. Kim, shit will get crazy and speculative. No matter what, man, the Queen ain't dying. If Trump dies of COVID-19, Alex Jones's head will explode from the sheer amount of conspiracy lunacy trying to escape his mind at once. There will absolutely be massive, mainstream, theorizing on whether the Democrats engineered coronavirus to kill Trump. Well, Trudeau's wife, from Canada, has been diagnosed, and now they are saying that Trump and Pence were exposed. Pretty sure the Queen might be immortal. Well, Trump might already, since he was in contact with someone who tested positive, so it's possible we could find out soon. They are just people. Everyone is replaceable. Someone like Trump, even if he is old, has access to the best medical care in the world. If he dies, even with the best medical care in the world, I think that's a real oh shit moment for people. Markets are on fire, and I can't find toilet paper. As things are now, a clear sign that this can kill even those with the best possible care would be an economic disaster. Government would continue to function better, I'd argue, but they'd have a serious crisis on their hands, much worse than this. The cabinet in Iran count? If Bolsonaro dies, environmentalists abroad the world will rejoice. If the Queen dies, the world goes into shock. If Trump dies, the country goes at each other's throats over something stupid and petty, I'm sure. If Kim dies, peace with Korea could be possible in our time. If Putin dies, most people would probably be happy until someone equally corrupt takes over. Is this like a game of Mary, F\CK, kill? If so, I would say the answers in order would be, rejoice, bereave, coup. Justin Trudeau's wife just tested positive. So it's likely that he will be the first world leader to test for it. Also, Canada has the world's leading vaccine for it. Trump's death would throw the US into chaos. The convention isn't until August, but Pence taking over the presidency and mounting some kind of campaign between now and then would be rough. Several states have already had or canceled their primaries, which would make it rougher if anyone else tried to run. It would throw the US political world into chaos on the Republican side for sure. Trump dying would be a huge problem. His base would never believe he actually died of the disease. There'd be assassination conspiracy theories, and if they went too mainstream, it would be hugely destabilizing to US democracy. The day that Queen Elizabeth II dies for any reason will be a sad one, no matter what the circumstances. She is a person of substance. No matter what you think of the monarchy, she has taken her role seriously since the day she assumed it. After her passing, you will have King Charles. She's been like a stern grandmother for a few generations. What will it look like when she's gone? According to r/politics, r/news and r/world news, most of the people would celebrate Trump getting it. The Queen is immune. She's like 600 years old and strong as hell. Not the Queen. Just know. It can have Kim. He's a pain. Damn, about time. People might take this shit seriously finally instead of calling it just the flu. But are our reptilian oppressors immune to coronavirus? If Trump, an avid denier of coronavirus seriousness, died of COVID-19, that'd be pretty funny. The Queen? End of the world. We'd mourn the Queen. She's a cool old bird. I think the world might rejoice if some others on your short list left us. The Queen would be mourned. Whatever happens, we all have to make sure RBG doesn't get it. That's a ridiculous question. Lizards can't get coronavirus. If Trump died because he didn't take science seriously, that would be the ultimate irony. I'm sure evangelicals would say it's like when Jesus sacrificed himself. Meanwhile, if it were a gay president, they'd say God struck him down for his sin. Insert dancing joker. If Trump died of COVID-19, these things would happen. r/politics, r/news, r/world news, r/political humor, and r/world politics would probably cheer, scream, and shed tears of joy. My mother, a far-left individual, would make a Facebook post about how tyranny has come to an end. My father, a far-right individual, would liquidate his entire retirement account in 5 minutes. The White House would plan a closed-doors funeral for the president. A memorial will be held a few weeks later and would be televised. Mrs. Trump will shed some tears, CNN will say they're fake. Fox will say they're real. Celebrities who think their opinion matters will film themselves on social media taking a not-so-soft-spoken stance on the issue. Trump's legacy will be televised on Fox, and Trump's devastating wake will be televised on CNN. Trump, worldwide celebration, same with Kim and Boris, the Queen, moment of silence as everyone makes jokes about her SSB outfit colors and past conspiracies. Removed. Trump, relief. The Queen, probably shock. Kim Jong-un, everywhere but North Korea would be relieved, NK citizens would be in grief. I feel like once Kim goes down, South Korea could go down, take over, and free SK citizens from dictatorship, maybe even help them urbanize and catch up with the rest of the world, before another dictator comes up officially, thus reuniting the Koreas. Then again, Kim probably won't get hit by COVID-19 due to them being heavily isolated from the rest of the world. There would be dancing in the streets if Trump died, even with COVID-19 still active. I'm pretty sure Trump has COVID-19 and is so dumb that he'll refuse testing and treatment and die, so we may see Kim Jong-un or Trump. There would be celebrating in the streets for days. The Queen, almost nationwide mourning. I'd laugh my ass off if Trump died from a disease he said was a hoax. The Pope, chaos. The Queen, chaos. Tom Hanks, chaos. Trump, dance party like the end of an 80s comedy movie. Trump dies and it's gonna be celebration. If it's Trump, I'm celebrating. If Trump goes, I'll go to Wuhan and kiss everyone in the mouth. Don't call Trump a leader. Trump supporters will blame the Democrats for creating the virus and releasing it in China with the knowledge that the virus would make its way to Brazil, infecting a politician there, and then secretly set up a meeting between Trump and Brazilian leadership, all for the sole purpose of exposing Trump to the virus before the Brazilian has symptoms. If Trump dies, I will celebrate. I mean literally celebrate and be happy. Ban me or downvote me, that's my answer. Has scum and the world will be better off, and the US will be better able to handle this with him gone. Did you just lump the Queen in with two of the most hated leaders in the world? She deserves better. If Trump died, probably a huge celebration in the streets. There would be a bunch of bullshit to follow though. If it was Trump, they'd have a party. If Trump dies, half the USA will have a party, half will mourn. If Trump died, woohoo, but the Queen would be a very sad day. If it was Trump, then the world would celebrate and breathe a sigh of relief. If it was the Queen of England, then people would pretend that they care, but only her countrymen and family would actually give a shit. If it was Kim Jong-un, then we would never know he died of COVID-19. We would just be told he returned to the sun from where he was born. Trump and Kim? I wouldn't give a single fuck. The world is better off without egotistical dumbasses in power. The Queen? I would care. She has been around for a long time and seen a lot of history. Kim? Nobody would really be sad. President Trump? Most of the US, me included, would be genuinely sad. Some would pretend to be sad, Others would say good riddance and get downvoted into oblivion. The Queen? 99.99% of the human race would be sad. She's loved the world over. Deleted. Have faith in President Trump and pray for his health and safety, everyone. Folded hands. We're in good hands. Don't let the media fool you. If Trump gets COVID-19, we will never hear about it. He'll cover that up faster than he covers up his face with orange makeup every morning. Trump and Kim dying would be great for the world. A sigh of relief for us Americans. Removed. I really hope the Don gets it. Don't wish death upon him, but he called it a hoax, then refused the professionals' advice, so he deserves to get quarantined and suffer a bit. If Trump died of COVID-19, his headstone would deny it. Besides the Queen? Probably smile more. If it were Trump, there would be universal rejoicing all over the world. If Trump dies, I'm calling my firstborn COVID. Damn, sometimes I forget how absolutely horrible people on Reddit are, and I can't help but notice it's people who are politically left. Literally advocating for a sitting president to die from a virus and talking about how they would dance in the street and praising one president while hating another because of policies the first president started. Man facepalming. Reddit is filled with filth. Removed. If it's Donnie, then this will all have been worth it. One can only hope Trump dies. Depends on their beliefs, I assume. If the political leader was fascist/racist/sexist/homophobic/ etc., the world would be glad they died. If Trump died, we'd be throwing fucking parties in the street, which would probably spread the virus, but the youth are resilient and would be fine. Well, 99.3% of us would be. I would be so happy if Trump died of coronavirus. Even more so than when bin Laden was killed. Deleted. If Trump died, all the libs would be masturbating. Trump or KJU? Parades would be held. If it was the Queen, the world would mourn. Even though she's more the head of the Commonwealth in name than function, it would still be hurtful for us. She's on the back of our money. She's been a feature in our lives almost forever. It would be a loss that would be felt, for sure, in a genuine way. If Trump died, it would probably be the funniest thing to happen, ever. Removed. There aren't enough Reddit awards in the world for how many would be given to the post about Trump dying. Frankly, I'd fucking cheer if it snatched Trumpster's wig and his beloved Pence too. For the Queen? Worldwide shock and sadness. Trump. Fucking parades and a better response finally to this in America. Fuck. God would come down and look at everyone and be like, what the fuck? I had to do it? Y'all are fucking idiots for voting for that orangutan. Major celebrations if Trump died. I can't say I haven't fantasized the day a few times. Great, Dad, great. I think it would be good if Trump died from it. Regardless of your political stance, it's dangerous for a supporter of anyone to think their leader is infallible, and Trump supporters do, in my experience. He's already downplaying the severity, and that'll cost American lives. The Queen, very sad. Trump, people would party, no joke. Kim Jong-un, hard to say, probably most Koreans and governments would be outwardly sad but not necessarily truly sad. Removed. Seeing that there are 11 confirmed cases in my country and that our president is very old and told people to keep hugging each other. I hope he gets sick and what comes next? I don't know if it will impact the world, but at least our neighbor countries will be surprised. Deleted. Reaching Rail Far, calling Trump a political leader. Trump, insane chaos will happen while the vice president become president. Biden and Sanders will finish their campaigns more quicker, and then a candidate for Republican is chosen and they compete with the vice president. Then the elections happen in November. Kim Jong-un. Chaos will happen, but within like a year, South Korean will occupy North Korea and Korea will reunite, but with the coronavirus and the bad economy of North Korea, Korea will take time to recover, but since they are allies with the USA, the USA will help Korea, and will take probably a few years to recover. The Queen, if she has a successor, she will be Queen and Harry won't be royal anymore, and everyone will overreact over it, but nothing much will happen to Britain. If Trump died, I'm pretty sure we would be happy. I don't want Trump to die of coronavirus because I don't want to live through the chaos of a sitting president dying, and I don't want his supporters to turn him into some kind of martyr. I want Trump to live long enough to see the damage he's done, see his wealth and power of his entire family evaporate and, this is probably too optimistic, see the country recover while everyone says stuff like, man, it feels great not having a piece of shit for president. Other than that, the guy can die from spray tan poisoning or an errant golf ball to the brain for all I care. The majority of the US would dance in the streets. Re-Trump. Please let it be McConnell. Donnie probably does have it after the Brazilian secretary spent time with him and Pence. With his diet of fried chicken and McDonald's, he's a goner for sure.